Hello guys, how you doing? Well, here's a description about API calling a WebSocket, but what is WebSocket? The WebSocket helps you maintain a real-time bidirectional connection with the server, which is translated to faster times and less latency. And Gemini now offers WebSockets connections too, so this is going to be really nice. Let's see a project with Gemini Live, which uses WebSocket. The repo is in the video description. And it contains all information for the setup, all details there. So let's start with the demonstration.
I am a large language model trained by Google. How can I help you today?
And we are receiving audio chunks as responses. I don't know, what can you do? What are your capabilities?
I can do quite a bit. I can answer questions on a wide range of subjects, summarize articles or long texts, translate languages, and write creatively, like poems, scripts, or even code. I can also just chat like we are now. Is there any particular area you're curious about?
I don't know if you can describe what is happening in the video.
I see you talking, and it looks like you're indoors. Behind you, there's a picture on the wall in a gold frame, and also a corkboard with some papers pinned to it. Is there anything specific you want me to focus on?
So as you can see, we can talk through text, share videos, and record our audio too, and it will respond. I'm sharing the scripts I use in our repo, so check the description and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.